In Madhya Pradesh, Parsuram Seva Sangathan has come out strongly against the 27% reservation for OBCs. The group says the quota is excessive and unfair, and it's preparing protest as the state moves to challenge a High Court stay in the Supreme Court. This has intensified the political fight between Congress and BJP, with both parties weighing for OBC support ahead of elections. The organization demands a fresh review of reservation policy as debate heat up. Social justice and vote bank politics are once again taking center stage in state's political arena. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav launched a major industrial push in Sihor's Kheri industrial area. He laid the foundation stone for unit worth Rs 1,620 crore and handed over land papers for 6 more units, bringing Rs 33.85 crore investment. The projects are expected to generate hundreds of jobs and give a boost to local manufacturing. Yadav said this is part of his vision to turn Madhya Pradesh into a top manufacturing hub. With big investors showing interest, the government hopes to transform smaller towns into economic growth zones. In Satna's Chitrakoot, police have booked Archana Chaturvedi, wife of ex-Congress MLA Nilanshu Chaturvedi, after her 24-year-old maid Suman died by suicide. Suman reportedly used a licensed revolver owned by Archana. Police have cited negligence in gun safety and launched an investigation. Meanwhile, Suman's boyfriend Arvind alias Raju Yadav has been arrested for alleged harassment. The case has sparked shock across the district with call for accountability from political leaders. Authorities are examining both personal and legal angles in what's turning into a high-profile case. BJP leader and former MP Sadhvi Pragya Thakur has dropped a political bombshell alleging she was tortured during the Malegaon blast probe. Speaking in Mumbai, she claimed investigators pressured her to falsely name Yogi Adityanath. She described both mental and physical abuse, demanding action against officers involved. Her remarks have triggered political reaction and renewed scrutiny of investigative method in sensitive cases. Sadhvi, who was acquitted, said innocent people must not suffer because of fabricated narratives. The statement could reshape political conversation in the days to come. A special tribute was held in the Madhya Pradesh Assembly in memory of the state first Chief Minister Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla. CM Dr. Mohan Yadav, Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar and other ministers offer floral respect and shared remarks on Shukla's contribution. The tribute marks the start of a new tradition aimed at honoring visionary leaders who helped shape the state's identity. Lawmakers said remembering pioneers like Shukla creates a stronger connection to history and inspires better governance. The gesture received bipartisan support and emotional resonance across party lines. The state government has denied receiving any letter from the Prime Minister's office regarding alleged corruption in the Jal Jeevan Mission. It also rejected reports of a probe against Minister Sampatya Uike. Officials clarified that no report has been sought from district offices by the Public Health Engineering Department. Dismissing the allegation as politically motivated, the state said the claims are based on misinformation. Opposition parties has raised question in the assembly, but the government called it an attempt to stir controversy without evidence. Authorities in Bhopal are cracking down on illegal assets of drug accused Yasin and his uncle Shewar. After their arrest, officials demolished 6 unauthorized buildings linked to the duo in just 4 days. One bungalow has also been sealed. The action is part of a wider effort to choke financial network supporting drug trafficking in the region. Investigators are now tracing more properties built on encroached or government land. The crackdown was being seen as a signal to organized crime that the state will not tolerate drug-linked real estate expansion. Tikamgarh rolled out a grand welcome for Kranti Kaur, star of the Amar Shahid Women's Interstate Cricket Tournament. The young cricketer from Gowara in Chhatarpur was honored by local leaders and sports officials in a special ceremony. Gaur's performance has inspired girls across Bundelkhand to pursue sports. A speaker at the event called her a rising symbol of women empowerment through athletics. With growing attention to women's cricket, Kranti's journey is being celebrated as a local to national success story and a motivation for aspiring players. Madhya Pradesh is bracing for heavy rainfall over the next 2 days with a fresh alert issued for August 3rd and 4th. Weather scientist Dr. Divya E. Sundaran said a cyclonic circulation are now active, especially over northern districts. Citizens are advised to stay away from low-lying areas and take precautions. Farmers have also been urged to protect crop from potential waterlogging. Light rain has already been reported, but conditions are likely to worsen. Disaster management teams are on standby as forecasts remain severe.